So, you've injured your neck after a motor vehicle accident or some other type of incident like a trip or slip and fall, and now you want to pursue an injury claim to be compensated for your injuries. If you are faced with such a situation, you need to know the keys to your neck injury claim if you want to have a chance at maximizing the value of your case. First key, proving liability. Simply put, this means showing that someone else's actions directly caused your injury. Whether it was a car accident, a slip or trip and fall, or some other type of accident, the burden of proof is on you to demonstrate that the other party was at fault. You may be thinking, how do you prove this? Well, you are allowed to testify in your case as to how your incident happened, so oftentimes your testimony alone can prove liability in your case. If someone rear-ended you in a car wreck while you were stopped at a red light, a case like this is easy to prove liability, as you can simply testify that is how the accident happened. Other cases can certainly be more difficult to prove liability. It's great to collect all evidence that you can possibly obtain. Take photographs of the scene of the incident, no matter if you were in a car wreck, slip or trip and fall, or another type of incident. Also, things like police reports, witness statements, and even surveillance footage can help make your case. In some cases, expert witnesses like accident reconstruction specialists may even be necessary to show how the accident occurred and how it directly led to your injury. If you can't prove liability, your claim stands no chance. So gather as much evidence as you can to try to strengthen your liability case. Second key, get medical treatment. The amount of medical treatment you get is absolutely crucial to the value of your neck injury case. As soon as you sustain a neck injury, make sure you see a medical provider and continue to get medical treatment on your neck as long as you continue to have neck pain and as long as your doctor recommends. Medical documentation is one of the most important pieces of your claim. A doctor's diagnosis will not only confirm that you have a legitimate injury, but also help establish a timeline of events. The sooner you get treated, the more likely your injuries can be linked directly to the accident. Remember, even if the pain seems manageable, neck injuries can be sneaky. Whiplash and soft tissue damage can worsen over time. So, get checked out right away, even if you're unsure how severe the injury is. Third key, get an MRI. Getting an MRI for your neck injury can significantly increase the value of your personal injury claim by providing detailed objective evidence of the extent of your injury. Unlike x-rays, which mainly show bone fractures, an MRI can reveal soft tissue damage such as herniated or bulging disc, which are common neck injuries sustained in car accidents or slip or trip and falls. This detailed imaging helps to confirm the severity of your injury, making it easier to demonstrate the long-term impact of the injury on your daily life and ability to work. When insurance adjusters or juries see clear evidence of significant injuries, they are more likely to award a higher settlement or verdict to compensate for pain, suffering, and ongoing medical care. Additionally, an MRI can help establish a clear connection between the accident and the injury. Fourth key, following your doctor's orders. This one is a biggie. Once you've received treatment, it's crucial to follow your doctor's advice, whether that means taking prescribed medications, attending physical therapy, or avoiding certain activities. If you fail to follow your doctor's instructions, the insurance company or the defendant's legal team could argue that your injury isn't as serious as you claim, or that you're not doing everything in your power to recover. Failing to follow your doctor's orders can have a negative impact on the value of your claim. And trust me, the insurance company or its legal team will try everything in their power to try to find out if you are not following your doctor's orders. They will check your social media, so I always suggest to clients to stay off social media while your claim is pending. In some cases, insurance companies even hire investigators to track your activities to see if you are following your doctor's orders. Fifth key, insurance or sufficient financial funds to pursue. Simply put, if the liable party has no insurance and no financial assets to pursue, your claim is likely worthless unless you were in a car wreck and had uninsured motorist insurance coverage to pursue on your automobile policy. Even if you were not at fault for your accident, it doesn't matter if there is no insurance or financial assets that you can pursue to cover your damages that you've sustained. It's obviously ideal if you are in a car accident for the other driver to have tons of insurance coverage to pursue for your damages. In many slip or trip and fall cases, especially ones happening on a business premises, it's often the case the business will have plenty of insurance or be self-insured with sufficient financial resources to pursue. What you don't want to see is a liable party that is what we call judgment proof. When a liable party is judgment proof, it means that even though they may be found legally responsible for your injury and owe you compensation, they do not have the financial resources or assets to pay the judgment. If you sustained a neck injury and are pursuing an injury claim, these 5 keys I've discussed in this video are absolutely crucial to the success of your case. But simply knowing these 5 keys will obviously not guarantee you success in your case. To give you the best chance of success in your neck injury case, you must avoid making any mistakes. And that's why I would suggest you watch this video about to pop up right here, where I tell you 8 mistakes that can absolutely crush your injury claim. Also, for more helpful videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. Lastly, if you've been injured in Kentucky, remember to don't wait, call Tate.